Yes, you're going to be on YouTube.
On YouTube?
On YouTube.
Tell us what you think of what?
Tell us what you think of the beer.
Well, I'm drinking Miller Lite.
Oh no, don't say that. She's lying.
I had the Spinnerhusen or whatever. It was amazing.
I love Lithuanian beer.
You love the Lithuanian beer, yeah. How do you like the beer?
Lip open, needed stitches, falling down like a piece of metal.
I'm gonna interrupt you really quick. I'm sorry. What do you think of that beer? That Baltus beer?
Oh, it's tasty. It's a little tangy.
They have the company in the house.
It's great.
Did you have the Lithuanian
What
beer?
you do with the second level? Is it done yet?
It's all, well, this floor got done.
It's a big pizza.
And then the top floor is just still old stuff.
Do you have any Lithuanian beer? The Švyturys?
Yeah,
Baltus?
I did.
And was it good or what?
I like the other kind.
Yeah, don't higher. You mean say what the other kind is? The extra.
The extra.
The extra, yeah, all right.
Tom, are you married?
Wheat's all right. All right.
I thought you said you were married. You have a...
Look at this party. Oh my gosh! Very good.
I like this beer.
All right.
You have my thumbs up.
What's the name of it? What's the name?